Hi there, this is Shinjini from Modern Gypsy, and I have an unboxing for you today after quite a long time. So this is a new deck that I bought recently called the Yogic Path Oracle deck, and I'm going to be unboxing it right here with you. It's just getting this plastic off. And that's the deck, and it's got this beautiful gold gilding or embossing on the deck, which is this is a slip cover. Okay, that's nice. So you slide that off, and that's a lovely nice white box with this beautiful gold printing on it. You can see it shining as the light falls on it, and it has this magnetic clasp, and the inside of the box says may these cards bridge you to your highest self. And there's a ribbon tab here that makes it easy to pull out the guidebook, which is a really good touch because otherwise it can be really difficult to pick up books from the box. So the guidebook also has the same gold printing on it. Oh, and it's a full colored guidebook, which is really nice. And this deck is divided into four sections: spirituality, Ayurveda, chakras, yoga, and deities. And so each of the cards, they kind of listed out like that, all of the Ayurveda cards together, and then the yoga and the chakras. And it looks like these are meant to be read upright and reversed both, which is interesting because not too many oracle decks are designed like that. I know a lot of Colette Baron Reed's decks are also designed to be read upright and reversed. That's a really interesting looking guidebook. I think she has more information on using the deck and some spreads that you can get by visiting her website. I'm not sure what I think of that. I would much rather have had all of that information in the guidebook. Actually, it just makes it a lot easier than having to access information on a deck in multiple different places. And then this ribbon, oh lovely, you can pick up the box. And I really like it when this kind of packaging includes the oracle cards in a separate box, because you don't always have place to keep the entire keepsake box as well. So then this is a really nice way to store the deck. Let's take a look at these cards. Oh, I like it. The inside cover also has this lovely lotus printed at the bottom. And there's again that ribbon to pull up the cards, which is nice. Very nice. So that's the back of the cards. It's a very pretty back. And we'll do a quick walkthrough of the cards. So those are the cards, and they're actually quite interesting. It's one of the very few times that I've actually seen an oracle deck that is rooted in Hinduism. So it would be interesting to kind of work with this as I work with my own Indian roots a little more closely this year. And it'll be interesting to kind of see how this deck might fit in with some of the work that I've been doing. So it is, like I already mentioned, divided among Indian Vedic spirituality, Ayurveda. So these are the different, what is it called? Yeah, the doshas. The mind-body types. That's what is here for the Ayurveda cards. And then there were all of the chakras, the 7 chakras, and the yoga cards. These are the different yoga principles or philosophies that she has listed out here, which is interesting, very interesting. And then there's some Indian deities, and there's a nice mix of deities that she's chosen. So there's some that are still very commonly worshipped in India, like Kali, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Durga, Shiva, Hanuman. And then there are a few that are, even in India, it's really difficult to find any information on these goddesses, like Bhuvaneshwari, Dhumavati, Chinnamasta, and Lalita Tripura Sundari. So that's interesting that she's included some of these lesser known deities, at least within India and within the cultural context that I have seen in North India. These deities are rarely talked about. So it's interesting that they've been included in the deck, and it'll be nice to see what she has to say about these goddesses as well. So that's the deck, that's the walkthrough. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this. And in case you're wondering, the author is Sahara Rose, and the artist is Daniel Noel, who's done the Star Child Tarot, which is why this the imagery looked kind of familiar to me. So yeah, so it's a beautiful deck. It's a beautiful deck, beautiful images, very nice collage. So it will be an interesting deck to work with and get to know a little bit more. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and I will see you with another art or tarot video soon. Take care. Bye.